You are waiting for a feeling that is never going to come. You're sitting there, waiting for that spark, that sudden urge to grind, believing that once you feel like doing it, the work will be easy. But here's the uncomfortable truth. That feeling? That's not motivation. That is a sugar rush. And relying on it is exactly why you quit 3 days after you start. We've been sold a lie. We look at the top 1%, the athletes, the CEOs, the creators, and we think they have something we don't. We think they wake up every single morning screaming, "Let's go." We think they have a bottomless tank of willpower. So you try to copy them. You try to force the feeling. You watch a motivational video, you get a spike of dopamine. You work hard for 24 hours, and then the crash hits, the motivation fades, and you're back to zero, feeling like a failure because you couldn't keep the fire burning. But what if I told you the most consistent people in the world aren't motivated at all? In fact, they're often bored. The reality is much better than you think. You don't need to suffer to be consistent. True consistency doesn't look like effort. It looks like automation. To the outsider, it looks like discipline. To the insider, the person doing it feels like nothing. It's just what they do. They don't negotiate with themselves. Let me prove it to you. When you woke up this morning, did you have to watch a motivational video to brush your teeth? Did you have to hype yourself up to put toothpaste on your brush? No, you just did it. Why? Because it's a non-negotiable standard. It's not a decision you make every day. It's a system you installed years ago. You don't rely on motivation to brush your teeth, yet you are 100% consistent with it. That is the secret. Success isn't about high energy. It's about low friction. So how do we turn your goals into brushing your teeth? We stop looking for motivation and we start building action loops. Here is the system. First, stop making decisions. Motivation is required only when you are deciding whether to work. If the decision is already made, motivation is irrelevant. You need to assign a specific time and place. Use the 2-minute entry. Don't aim to write a book. Aim to write one sentence. The hardest part of a rocket launch is the first 100 feet. Once you are in motion, physics takes over. Don't wait to feel good to work. Just work, and I promise you, you will start to feel good. Action produces motivation, not the other way around. This matters because it frees you. You no longer have to be a slave to your mood. You can be tired, sad, or lazy and still win because your system works even when your feelings don't. So stop waiting for the lightning to strike. Pick one small thing, do it for 2 minutes, and watch how the feeling follows the action.